National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, northwestern Calvert County in southern Maryland, east central Prince George's County in central Maryland, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Marlton, or near Upper Marlboro, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Shadyside, Chesapeake Beach, Deal, Marlton, Dunkirk, Owings, Friendship, Mount Harmony, and Tracy's Landing. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
But wait, there's more.
Now for the official
Never
National
mind.
Weather Service
Take it
forecast
back.
for the